Got a complaint to make. It's too hot today and I've had to take my hat off. But I'm not taking my hoodie off yet, or I won't feel the benefits later on. Me and Mike just had a nice cup of tea. Mike's over there just raking up the thatch and moss. Just aerated and scarified. And Scarify's actually left some stripes on the lawn. Not very straight ones though, are they? Do you think of my stripes, Mike?
A bit straighter.
Yeah. I've done them like there's a bloody stone in my shoe. Look at that.
One foot's longer than the other.
You seen that up there, Mike?
What is it?
The sun.
Jesus. Are you sure?
Yeah. This is what it's all about, guys. We've got through the winter. Spring's here, even though we can still get a bit of winter yet. Now we'll cast a clout till May is out. So anyway, guys, hope you're all enjoying your spring weather and business is doing you well. And I think with all the stuff that's happening in the world at the moment, we need a day like this, don't we? I've even noticed my customers are out and about in the garden, and yeah, especially the older ones really appreciate to have this weather. And yeah, just thought I'd share that with you. Mike, is this the second time we scarified this, or the third time now?
I think it's the third.
Yeah. I can find out by looking in my software, but I can't be bothered to look at the moment. But what you find with these scarifying jobs, each year they're a little less moss and thatch comes out each year, which, you know, is what should happen really. The first one we did, I know there's absolutely tons of it come out, but a lot of the jobs we're doing this year we've already done for 1 or 2 seasons already, so each year it's just getting a little bit easier. So it's not just moss and thatch. Some of the new grass does come out as well, but it will recover. Looking good, Michael. That'll give it a good start to the year, won't it? So what I'll do now, I'll just double up with Mike and we'll get this cleared up. And for some of you new guys out there watching this video, I do intend to do more videos going through the summer. Been doing videos now for about 1.5 years, I think, and not really sure which way I want to go with the channel. It's a steady grower, getting new subs every week, but you know, it doesn't change, you know, drastically. I might get like 5 a week. I've noticed an upcline this time of year, but nice to get to 1,000 subs. I think anybody making videos always wants to reach that magic number of 1,000, so be good to get there before the end of this year. So anyway, yeah, if you like these videos, don't forget to give us a like, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in a bit.